Hello, everyone. It's this week's crypto episode. I'm Jem,
I'm Cons.
and we are two bros interested in finance. Even though there isn't much to talk about because it's summertime, we still wanted to do a video and at least give like some sort of an insight or some sort of like price updates in the markets in general. Right now, it's crypto, and I'm starting CMC 20 index in the last 7 days has increased by 1.4%. Bitcoin increased 2.2%, trading around $64,000. Ethereum increased by 2.6%, trading around $1,800. BNB nearly flat, trading around $574. Ripple down by 2.9% nearly, trading around $1.09. Solana down nearly 4%, trading around $76, $77. So the crypto market in general, I would say a bit mixed. Like Ripple, Solana, they are down, but also Bitcoin, Ethereum are up. Bitcoin 64,000. I was just checking the prices, and I can see that in the last year, right? For me, in my opinion, in the last year, since July 2025, which was around 116, $115. Right now, it's after 1 year, it is at $64,000. So we are seeing a gradual decrease in Bitcoin. And yeah, if it goes like this, which I think that it's gonna go like this, I think there is still a lot of time until the bull. Like the bull was 2025, right, Cons? When it
Yes.
sold the 100 above dollars. I think I'm not expecting the bull until it's like 2029, 2028. So I think price would drop a bit more as well. I would say below 60s, in my opinion, is very, very, very doable. 55, maybe if it starts coming to 55, I will definitely start buying some. But yeah, that's about it. What's your take?
Not much, honestly. Pain market, nothing really happening, right? I've been watching
Mm-hmm.
Bitcoin. Most of the crypto, I just watch Bitcoin anyway. And yeah, just 59, 60K range. I mean, it's doing what you prophesized, right? The full bear market. I'm glad you
Mm-hmm.
exited all your position back then.
Yeah.
Um, that was really nice. But yeah, regarding price target, honestly, I think we will see a four in front of it. So
Fair.
yeah,
I would not disagree with that. But I'm not sure if I would agree about it either.
yeah.
It's very possible that we see falls.
So
Very, very possible.
I'm just gonna say 45K is my wishful thinking, and
Hmm.
if it hits in the 40 range in general, I think I'm gonna pack up a little bit as well and add some crypto for once into my portfolio.
Hmm.
Um, I've seen some interesting news regarding like the cycles of Bitcoin. I don't know if maybe you with crypto a little bit more into it, but like how a cycle, bear market takes normally a full 365 days. And I've seen like
Hmm.
some predictions already, like, okay, we're gonna see the bottom on like the 20th October, on point, because it's like, like the crypto market has like this repeating pattern. And you can even see it from its
Yeah.
chart, right, as well. So
But I
maybe,
would
but
say, do you remember when this bull market started, when started hitting that bull market, when it hit 100K
mm,
and it even hit 120K later on? I was telling you about the patterns. I was telling you about all this and that, but I was also telling you because of the institutional investors,
yeah.
crypto market is not the crypto market that we know. So I kind of stopped believing in patterns in crypto market after this last bull run.
Yeah, if you do it this decently long term and you wait now for the full bear market to like fold out, and then you just buy the dip if it's at 55 or 45, I think it doesn't really matter too much if you're selling at 200K at a later point, right? So,
Hmm. Yeah.
yeah, it's like we always say, like catching the perfect bottom, right? It's near to impossible. We would like to, but yeah. Let's see, man.
Yeah.
I'm calling 45K. I like to call things and see if I'm right or wrong. And yeah, I really hope under 50, 45K range would be
Okay.
beautiful.
Okay, that's good. That's good because I wouldn't disagree with that 100%.
Um, Otherwise, I would just hit a gold and silver. I've been doing really poorly in the year. Very hyped up in the beginning of the year, right? We've I feel like when we started talking about it, this was like peak.
It was already,
Yeah,
yeah,
this
yeah,
was
yeah.
like the peak timing to exit it things because like
Hmm.
it's like we were not really into commodities and then we realized too late and
Yeah.
like this is like the typical trap people fall into and then they realize it and then they buy it and they buy it at the top.
Yeah,
Um,
but we said that. We said
yeah,
that when we started talking about commodities. I remember us distinctly saying that this train is not a train to catch anymore.
yeah,
It's long far,
yeah,
like
and
from us. Like, don't enter.
yeah, it's. I think honestly, I'm watching a little bit silver, and I keep watching gold as well because depending on what kind of correction it's gonna do in the next months or even years, like I might even add some gold as like a side position, long term wise, just to have as a security. It's not for me. It's not a performing machine, right?
Hmm.
But a security gold, I think, is the best, right? And
And security gold is not bad. I would be okay with
I
that.
mean, the
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'd be okay with
oldest
that. Yeah,
currency in the world, right? If you have
yeah,
the
yeah,
real gold bar at home, it's actually useful. So, um,
yeah.
but yeah, otherwise, I have not much to add. I think
Yeah.
it's
Hmm.
going to be very calm for the commodities. I think they're going to correct a little bit lower for the rest of the year. I don't think it's going to be, I don't think we're going to have a bull run in silver or gold or something like
No,
this.
that full run is gonna wait for like maybe 10 more years. I
Yeah,
don't think that it's
yeah,
going to be. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah, this was
yeah,
like a 10-year kind of thing, what happened in the last 2, 3 years
yeah.
with gold and silver. And it takes the gaps between those runs are massive, right? I think historically
Yeah,
gold has an average return of like between 5 and 6%. You
yeah,
know,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
so
yeah,
stocks is the way for me at least in this case.
yeah. Exactly, exactly. It's better.
Otherwise, I don't have anything else to add unless you want to say
Neither
something.
do I. We can just end the episode. I don't mind because there isn't much to talk about. So thank you guys for watching. You guys know the drill. Your grandma, your grandpa. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.